What's good? It's your boy Jerome from JeromeHolderFitness.com. Now in this video, I'm going to show you guys 4 ab exercises that you can do at home to help stay toned, stay defined in your midsection. Alright, let's get into the video. Now the first exercise we're going to do is oblique twists. And all of these exercises, guys, are till failure. Now the oblique twist is going to really work the side abs, the oblique. So what you do, you take this, your fists, and you're going like this. Just like that. Go till failure. Side to side. You can either go till failure or you can set a timer and you can do about 30 seconds and then rest for 30 seconds and then go in again. Alright, you want to really exhaust yourself. Don't just do a little bit and then be like, oh, it's a little uncomfortable. Like, go as hard as you possibly can. Alright, the next one we're going to do is V-ups. So you're going to go like this. And you're going to bring your arms up like this. You go down. Try to touch your toes. Try to touch your toes. Try to touch your toes. Try to touch your toes again. Again, you're going to be doing as many as you can until failure. Put a timer on. Alright? Last one we're going to do, or the third one we're going to do, is bum ups. So you want to just basically go like this. This is the starting position. You want to get your bum off the ground. I see some people, they do this, they just kind of move it up a little bit, like, no, off the ground. You gotta be elevated. You want to really squeeze here as you go up. Alright? And again, I'm going to say it for a third time, because third time's a charm. Go until failure, guys. Some people, they start these workouts and then they kind of go, they don't really go hard. All right, once they feel a little bit of discomfort, they throw in the towel. But wipe the sweat with the towel that was thrown in. All right, and go hard, keep going. All right, I believe in you. So the last one that I'm going to show you. All right, so this last one that I'm going to show you, this bonus one of my favorites because it's going to help with the lower abs. And guys, the great thing is these are all body weight. So I don't want to hear no excuses. I don't have a gym membership, because you can do this one at home. Alright? So what we want to do, you can lay down like this. You're not laying down flat, but just in this position. What you basically want to do, keep your arms like this, and then bring your knees, try to bring your knees to your chest. So you're going out and you're stretching all the way and back in. Stretching out and back in. Squeezing the lower ab and back in, just like that. Alright, so coupling these exercises with a proper diet plan, with a proper nutrition plan, really leads to progression. Alright, so it's not just about the ab workouts, because if you start eating bad, you're not going to see anything happen. You literally cannot outwork a bad diet. So with this video, I'm actually putting in the description a link to my free ebook. Alright, it's going to basically be a combination of an amazing diet program that you can follow, mixed with some ab exercises, so you can combine the two. Alright, and you can get in the best shape of your life and really start seeing that definition. Alright, now if you like this video, please drop a like, leave a comment below, and subscribe so we can spread the message of good health and fitness. Alright, peace.